Voyager 1, our lonely messenger, now the farthest object humanity has ever created. Over 24 billion kilometers away and still accelerating toward the unknown. It's flying 14 times faster than a speeding bullet. And yet, in November of last year, it went silent. The cosmos grew quieter. We feared it was gone. But just weeks ago, NASA revived it. Voyager 1 lives to see another day. But for how much longer? If it could send one last message, what would it say? Let's rewind the clock to the very beginning. September 5th, 1977. Voyager 1 leaves Earth behind, bound for the gas giants. It captured breathtaking images of Jupiter's storms and Saturn's rings. Then, it left the planets behind, alone. It would take 31 more years just to reach the heliopause, the edge of the sun's domain. Many think that's the edge of our solar system. They're wrong. As of 2024, Voyager 1 is 163 astronomical units from home. That's over 4 times the distance from the Sun to Pluto. At this distance, radio signals take 22 hours and 36 minutes. One way, it's far. But in cosmic terms, it's barely left the driveway. It will take 300 more years to reach the Oort cloud, and 30,000 more to finally pass through it. So how do we even speak to a machine that far away? Using giant antennas in California, Spain, and Australia. We whisper commands. It whispers back. Each whisper takes 45 hours round trip. Its transmitter, just 20 watts, as powerful as your fridge light bulb. And yet, we still hear it every single day. But time is catching up to Voyager. In late 2023, it began sending nonsense, corrupted data. Rumors swirled. Aliens had intercepted it. They hadn't. The issue? A corrupted chip in its flight data system. NASA wrote new code, beamed it into space, waited days for a response, and then it worked. Voyager responded. It was alive. But this wasn't the first close call, and it won't be the last. Voyager runs on plutonium-powered RTGs, tiny nuclear batteries. But that fuel is decaying, and the lights are slowly dimming. Non-essential systems have already been shut off, including its cameras. And someday soon, the critical systems will fail too. Then, Voyager will fall silent forever. But before that happens, what if we turned the cameras on one last time? Back in 1990, it happened. Carl Sagan asked NASA to turn Voyager around, to take one last photo of Earth. Most said it was a waste, no science, no value. But NASA said yes. And we got this. Earth. Just a speck, a pixel, a pale blue dot. That image changed how we see ourselves. It reminded us we're fragile. Now Voyager travels with another message, one made of gold, a record etched with sounds, images, and greetings from Earth. Whales, thunder, a baby crying, Beethoven, blind Willie Johnson, Chuck Berry. It's a time capsule for the stars. But who will ever find it? Voyager won't reach another star for 40,000 years. And even then, it may pass silently, unnoticed. But what if someone did find it? Would they understand us? Would they respond? Or maybe they'd follow its trail, back to us. That possibility, both thrilling and terrifying. But maybe Voyager's last message isn't for aliens. Maybe it's for us, to remind us of what we were capable of how we reached beyond our cradle. Voyager is a time traveler now, a silent ambassador. Someday, long after Earth is gone, it may still drift, unchanged, undisturbed, carrying whispers of a vanished world, a world that once dreamed and reached. So, what if Voyager sent one last message? Maybe it would say, we tried, or maybe we existed, we mattered. Whatever that final message is, we are writing it now. With every discovery, every dream, every step into the unknown. Voyager may go dark, but its legacy burns bright. A beacon from a tiny planet saying, we were here. And maybe, just maybe, someone will listen. But the question still remains, is this the end? Or merely a new beginning for Voyager 1? Because aboard this silent traveler is something truly extraordinary, a time capsule of humanity. The golden record, etched with the sounds of Earth, greetings in 55 languages, music, and even our location. If another civilization discovers it, they'll know exactly where to find us, or at least where we once were. Perhaps in a distant future, Voyager is placed in a museum, an ancient relic from a vanished world. They study it, the sounds of a baby crying, of whales singing, of Beethoven, of us. Or maybe they never understand it, a mystery they can't solve, a voice they can't translate. Regardless, Voyager continues. Every second, another 17 kilometers deeper into forever. In 40,000 years, it will pass within 1.6 light years of a star called Gliese 445. No planets are known to orbit that star. But if someone's listening, they might just hear us. By then, Earth may be unrecognizable. Our city's gone. Our voices silenced. But Voyager endures. A message in a bottle cast not into an ocean, but into the cosmic sea. Think about it. Voyager could last longer than Earth itself. It's a ghost ship, yes, but it carries our soul. All of our history compressed into a few etched grooves and an aluminum cover. Carl Sagan once said, "The Earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena," and Voyager reminds us of that. Always. So what if we could hear just one more message, one last whisper from Voyager? It wouldn't be a message from the stars. It would be a message to ourselves. A quiet goodbye. A thank you. A reminder that we were once here and we reached for the stars. Because Voyager 1 isn't just a machine, it's a story. And we're the authors. Its mission may end, but its legacy, that will outlast even the stars. And maybe, just maybe, someone out there will listen. A beacon of our curiosity, our hope, our voice in the infinite dark. We said, hello. We shared who we are. That's all we could ever do. This isn't just a spacecraft. It's a love letter to the cosmos, to send a part of ourselves into the unknown, just in case someone's listening. 93% of people watching this haven't subscribed yet. If this story moved you even a little, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Join us as we explore more mysteries of our universe. Because the cosmos is wide, and we've only just begun to understand our place in it. And maybe one day, long after we're gone, someone will look at that golden record and whisper, "Now, let's go further, beyond known paths, beyond science, into something more." What if Voyager crosses into a region of space we've never even theorized about? A silent realm of gravitational waves, where even time behaves differently. What if Voyager experiences a time distortion and emerges far into our future? It could return to a solar system long changed, or long forgotten. And what if our descendants find Voyager and don't recognize it? They examine the golden record, hear our music, our voices, our hope. It becomes a myth, a legend of the first ones who dared to speak to the stars. Voyager is no longer a machine. It's a monument, a relic from a blue planet that once shimmered under a yellow sun. They wonder, who were these people? What drove them to reach this far? Even then, we are remembered. Or maybe Voyager never finds anyone. It simply drifts, century after century, through nothingness. But even then, it holds the memory of life. Maybe it survives cosmic explosions, collisions, eons of radiation, tossed by unseen forces, yet never destroyed. In fact, Voyager may outlive the sun itself. When our sun dies, Voyager will still be sailing. The planets will crumble, the stars will fade, but Voyager remains. Eventually, even atoms may decay. But for a while longer, it continues, its paint chipped, its message unread, but its mission never forgotten. A lone traveler in a dying universe, Its very existence screams across time. We were here, we mattered, and maybe that's what being human really means. To send your heart into the dark without knowing if anyone will hear it. To dream, to wonder, to reach. Voyager 1 didn't just go the farthest physically, it went the farthest spiritually. Because inside that disk is everything we were and everything we hope to be. To all worlds, all times, all listeners. It doesn't matter if no one ever hears it. What matters is that we sent it. Voyager is the best of us, the boldest whisper in the loud silence of space. Stay curious, stay bold, and never stop reaching. Because someone, somewhere, someday might hear us. And in that moment, we are no longer alone. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more What If scenarios. This is What If Dimensions.